Hello! Today I'll show you how to replace or fix damaged RCA cable. It can be your hi-fi system cable or even cable from your multimedia computer speakers. In this case we have Logitech Z523 speakers with RCA connector torn off, and someone had already tried to fix it. To do this, you need to buy a new RCA connector which we will solder to the new wire. I will post Amazon links in the description. There are many different types of RCA connectors, ranging in price from less than $1 to tens of dollars per connector. For this DIY, you can use RCA connector you already have or any other good price or performance RCA plug. And of course you'll need DIY kit, but I'm sure my viewers already have that. We start by cutting off the damaged plug or part of the damaged wire with a small reserve. Then from the beginning of the cable, grab the cable and pull it nicely to the end. This little life hack can extend the life of the RCA connector. Place the housing of the RCA plug on a cable, and also put on insulating plastic and heat shrink tubing for better cable strength. Then carefully remove the outer insulation of the cable. And here's the problem. Who actually puts white and green colors? What the flipping pancakes, Logitech? How am I supposed to know which is plus and which is minus? Where are the usual red and black colors? Now we have to disassemble the satellite speaker to find out which color is plus. You can watch detailed disassembly video by clicking on the I button in the upper right corner of the video. This time was lucky because speaker contacts are marked with plus and minus. As we can see, the white and red wires are plus. Finding out plus wires color took more time than replacing RCA plug itself. Once again, dislike Logitech and subscribe to me for saving you from this confusing situation. Once the insulation of both wires has been removed, check with multimeter if wires are intact and actually connect to the speakers. Everything looks okay, nice. Now thin both wires to make it easier connecting them to RCA. Put the wires in the RCA connector so we can solder them. The middle contact is plus, and the bottom, or you could say base, is minus. Solder plus to the center and minus to the base. Secure the wire using those little metal hooks. Let's check if it's not short circuit. Using your grandmother's nail polish, insulate the contacts. Slide the heat shrink tube over the point where cable is attached to RCA plug and shrink it with the help of wire. This will improve its lifetime. Put on housing of the RCA connector on top and tighten it. Let's do a last check. Well, everything looks okay, very nice. Together we have replaced the RCA connector for Logitech speakers. RCA connector could have been nicer, but this time what matters is functionality, not appearance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to support my money-saving DIY actions. Thank you and see ya!